What's going on, everyone? Odie Matthews here, and today we're doing something different. I sent it out a while ago, or not a while ago, a couple days ago, with my Topo Designs video, if you guys wanted to see how I pack for my trips, kind of how I lay things out and what I go through and everything like that. And since I'm about to leave on a trip to Utah, I had all my stuff out, I was getting ready to pack, and I was like, you know what? One person said yes on Instagram. That's good enough for me. Also, I just needed an episode to release because I'm kind of behind, so you get 2 in a couple days. Because I didn't release a week ago, and I apologize for that. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you everything I laid out, everything that I use on my trip, how I pack for this trip, and, you know, I'll show you what's inside my packing cubes, and we'll pack this bag I'm using, and the bag I'm going to use, I'm going to do a full depth review next episode-ish. So, let's just get into it, shall we? Okay, so here's everything I have laid out for my trip. There's the Pakt One Bag in the background. Yep, that is going to be the bag we use. I'm going to zoom in. I never get to use it from this angle. That's the Pakt One. And then this is everything I'm going to be taking on my trip, right? So I've got my clothing, my accessories, my packing cubes. And I'm going to break down those packing cubes and I'll show you everything you need to see in those. And we will just dive into this, right? And then as I show you everything, then we'll pack the bag and I'll show you how I do that too. So what I've got here is I've got my Coalatree puffy jacket rolled up into the pillow form in case I need a pillow while I am traveling. And then I've got my Boulder Denim hoodie as my heavy hoodie while I'm out there. I've got my iPad. I've got my Gorilla Pod so I can do some footing shooting out there. My Gravel Dop Kit. All of my liquids in this clear bag, TSA approved. There you go. Extra pair of shoes are in this bag. This is the shoe bag thing that comes with the Pakt One. This is my SUAV packable shoes are in there. Then I have a pair of wired headphones from Exactly Life. My Exactly Life portable charger with a little splitter extra charger thing so I can charge my iPad, not iPod, it's not 2006. With that, my to-go silverware that I always travel with that I've mentioned. Pair of gloves because I don't know how cold it's going to be. It's like in the 30s. This Topo Designs little bag that I showed on my last video has a bunch of dongles and cords and my battery chargers for my camera. So this pouch is super handy like I mentioned last time. Then I've got my essentials packing cube and my everyday clothes packing cube. Right. That's basically it. That's a quick rundown, just speeding through it. Okay, I've moved everything out of the way. And this is going to be the side that I put all of my non-essential, like not my clothing basically, not my packing cubes. So what I do is I got my Coalatree camper jacket, throw my Boulder Denim in there, then I put my shoes right there. Got my Gravel Toiletry Kit. This can fits perfectly right in there. And then because I always forget that I have gloves if I bring them, I'm going to throw the gloves just willy-nilly right in there. And then obviously my laptop goes in this little middle compartment, but it's doing my audio. So I'm gonna close that off, right? Then you swing it around to this other compartment, and that's clothing. And I want to get you an idea of what's in my packing cubes because I keep saying I'm gonna mention them, I'm gonna talk about them. So here we go. I have 2 t-shirts just in case it's kind of nice because it's kind of sunny. 2 t-shirts from Cuts. I've got a 3 long sleeve from various people. Mack Weldon, an Old Navy, I think, maybe another different one. 3 just simple long sleeves, and then 2 pairs of pants, a Boulder Denim and my Live Sign designs, right? So I just basically throw those in my Peak Design big packing cube, my go-to, until somebody can make a better one, which I have not seen yet. So maybe you guys know of a better one you can point me in the direction of. Right, so that fits perfectly in my main compartment, or my main packing cube, right? Pretty simple. Now, what's not included in there is I'm wearing a pair of jeans, wearing a t-shirt, obviously wearing socks and underwear because, I mean, you kind of have to. And then also a lightweight jacket I'm wearing on the plane, so that's my extra outfit. So I try to bring 3 pairs of pants and then a shirt for at least some of the days, at least 5. And then in the Pakt One, this packing cube, it doesn't seem like it's gonna fit, but it does. Then in here, all I have is 5 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of socks, and a pair of gym shorts. Now, I can kind of show you more in depth, but basically, it's nothing crazy, nothing special, just some like ankle high and up to like some just below the knee high socks, right? That fits in there. You pull this down, You zip it all around, and boom, you've got your main part of this bag packed. Then what I would do is in this nice little compartment right here in the middle, my laptop would go, right? So then, because it's a clamshell style bag, you zip that up, okay? Then on this side of the bag, you've got two awesome little compartments on the side, and that is where we start packing all my, well, I pack all of my, I hope you're not packing my stuff, little pouches and stuff. So what I've done is throw the Topo designs right in there, and next to it is my to-go wear, and that zips up perfectly. And then in this one, I just throw my little portable, portable charger, the extra cable, and then my wired headphones, just kind of right there if I need it, because the way I'm going to put this up in the plane, this will be the side that's accessible. Because on this side, you've got a little magnetic pouch, and then you've got this. This is a red strip, and I like they add the red strip so you don't forget it's there, even though it's attached. Is a TSA bag that you can just put you're supposed to be able to put like, you can put like your phone and stuff in here, and then you just pull it out and you put it through there. But I usually just throw my phone wherever. So for this, what I've decided to do is try something different. Usually I'd have a big toiletry bag that would be able to fit this bag of liquids. It's my body wash, shampoo, and conditioner and stuff. But because this folds out, even though I have TSA pre-checks, sometimes they make you take the liquids out. So to be safe, I've decided to put them in here, and then this just kind of folds down in there, just like that. So then when I get there, I can just pull that bag out if they need me to when it goes through security. And then last but not least, I've got my iPad, fits in this like little magazine pouch, which does have a magnetic clip, right? So that's it. That's my packing. I mean, it's basic. I know it's probably gonna be a short video, but it is a bonus episode technically. So maybe I should start a Patreon for bonus episodes. But that's it. This thing is killer so far, man. Like this is gonna be the first trip I use with the Pakt One. They said it's like the only bag you ever need and everything. So I'm really interested. It's also a duffel, which means that it doesn't have backpack straps. It has just this really beefy, nice strap. Also, that will be attached to my bag. It'll probably be clipped on somewhere. Will be my dog's water bowl, because his little self is going as well, because he goes with me everywhere. So Max's stuff will be clipped on, and I'll just buy dog food when I get there, because it's like a 6-day trip. So I'm not bringing 6 days worth of dog food. But yeah, this is it. This is my one bag setup, and this does work in other bags, such as the Peak Design bag. It worked in the bamboo bag. It worked in the Wandered Hexad Access duffel bag. It worked in this bag a little bit. This is the Tortuga Set Out 35 liter. That's on the list to review. It worked in that bag. That's the Exactly Life Oxygen 40 to 45 liter bag. It's on the list to review. Long list of bags to review still. These are just some of them. Just some of them. Just half of a wall. Yeah, so look, I'm really stoked to use this bag. I'm really stoked I get to show you guys. I'm going to take videos of it while I'm in transit, use them in the review next week, tell you in depth all about this bag. But if you have any questions off the top, let me know. If you have any questions about my list, let me know. And if I can, I will try to find a way to put my packing list that I use. Pretty much it's an outline. It's not like specific items, just an outline of what I like to take. I'll find a way, if I can, to put that somewhere in the comments and stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like. And I will see you after my trip.